SearchGPT will have a tough time dethroning Google, but it might just be doing a few things better. OpenAI has made headlines by launching SearchGPT, a potential competitor to Google. This new feature mimics the purpose of Google but enhances the search experience by integrating AI artificial intelligence. Currently in its prototype phase, OpenAI plans to eventually integrate SearchGPT to ChatGPT. Taking to X, formerly Twitter, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman wrote, "We think there is room to make search much better than it is today. Google has attempted similar initiatives in the past, but they did not succeed. Things SearchGPT does better than Google." 1. Follow-ups. SearchGPT builds on conversational elements by allowing follow-up questions. You'll be able to ask follow-up questions as you would in a conversation with a person, with the shared context building with each query, explained OpenAI. This mimics natural human inquiry, enhancing the search experience. 2. No ads. Unlike Google, which displays sponsored content at the top of search results, SearchGPT avoids ads entirely. This means the results presented are intended to be of the highest quality, according to OpenAI. Now, we're using AI to enhance this experience by highlighting high-quality content in a conversational interface with multiple opportunities for users to engage, said OpenAI regarding quality results. 3. Simpler interface. Google's interface used to be simpler, with a single text box sufficing for answers. Now, it features additional elements like the Discover feed and links to other Google services. SearchGPT brings back the simplicity of the search box, offering a more straightforward user experience. 4. Working with publishers. SearchGPT aims to put journalism at the forefront of its service. "We are committed to a thriving ecosystem of publishers and creators. We hope to help users discover publisher sites and experiences while bringing more choice to search," said OpenAI. Nicholas Thompson, CEO of The Atlantic, remarked, "AI search is going to become one of the key ways that people navigate the internet, and it's crucial in these early days that the technology is built in a way that values, respects, and protects journalism and publishers." Unlike traditional search engines, SearchGPT cites the sources of its excerpts. SearchGPT is designed to help users connect with publishers by prominently citing and linking to them in searches, explained OpenAI on its website. Dethroning Google, given its dominance in search, will require a Herculean effort. How much SearchGPT ends up competing with the current leading consumer search engines will be partly dependent on the actual speed and accuracy of using SearchGPT, said Haley Sutherland, Research Manager, Conversational AI Intelligent Knowledge Discovery at IDC. And these parameters will also help determine the use cases types of searches question answering that SearchGPT will be best suited for.